Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cook my world famous tender steak. Make you think it's lamb. It's very good, very fulfilling. I want you guys to pay attention. It's one of those things where you have to make sure you season properly. Season properly. See this? Seasoning properly. Make sure it's very nice.
Sexy ass chick, and she go downtown. Going deep in it make that macaroni sound. Me and you in this room, we gon' I'm the king right here. She said I put that shit down. She in the gown, then you know that I'm ready. I got the bitch box beating hard like a chef. She like to shake her ass to the sound of the bass. And now she got my nuts looking all in the face.
And when she get on top, she like to maintain the pace. We ain't in competition, but I wanna win the race.
And when she get on top, she like to maintain the pace. We ain't in competition, but I like to win the race. Be quiet, Shawty keep screaming, the neighbors know me in the Hyatt. Police was called, but they said no ID was required. The way she was screaming, they thought that it was a riot. Big old booty, drop it down to the ground. You know me, I'm tryna hit that shit down. Ass so fat, so big, it's a grind. Shit so wet, when I'm in it, I drown. Sexy ass chick, and she go downtown. Going deep in it make that macaroni sound. See you in this room, we going pound for pound. I'm the king right here, she said I put that shit down.
Socially killed this one.
Big twerk. Big twerk. Big twerk. Twerk. Big. Don't you stop it, girl. Hey! Big old booty, drop it down to the ground. You know me, I'm tryna hit that shit now. Ass so fat, it's so big, it's around. Shit so wet, when I'm in it, I drown. Sexy ass chick, and she go downtown. Going deep in it